Much better. Should be much happier. Let's pop this back on. Let's pop the wheel back on. And so we go. Much better. Don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, the crucial part of your bike is your braking. If you don't know, get them checked by someone who does know. And always use quality replacement parts. Don't use cheap stuff. Just a little bit awkward doing one-handed, so bear with me. We're just going to quickly run these on. I'll talk more once it's all set. It's got the dreaded sit wheels on, which I'm not overstruck on, but as long as you've got your lock washers in there and they're torqued up to the correct specifications, shouldn't have an issue. Obviously just going to nip these for now and I will talk them for a minute. Into the correct settings, make sure they're clear, so follow the brake. Much better. Once it's bedded in, much better. And then just pop the wheel back on. Obviously, what you got to make sure with these sits, you must have lock spring washers. You ain't got these spring washers, these are known for coming off. So make sure, guys, that these are in. And if it does something like that, like I did, before you actually put them in, make sure they're still in place.